An immersion blender, or, as we prefer to call it, a hand blender, is a versatile appliance in a modern kitchen. These skinny devices combine the power of a full-sized blender, the portability of a hand mixer, and the convenience of a food processor into one versatile package, making them perfect for those with limited storage space, and those who just really love to cook. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best immersion blender you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Immersion Blender. This immersion blender aced all of our tests. It whipped cream with ease, pureed butternut squash soup in an instant, and the food processor attachment made pesto faster than expected. However, at times this 500W 2-speed immersion blender was a bit too powerful. The high setting sent droplets flying when I used it to blend my soup, but the low setting was sufficiently powerful, comparable to a medium-high setting on other models we tested. The immersion blender is lightweight, clicks easily into place when used with any of the various attachments, including whisk, food processor, and immersion blender head, and its stainless steel finish makes it a decent complement to most kitchen decor. In terms of performance, I was impressed with how easily it processed nuts and hard cheeses for making pesto. Pros: powerful motor, lightweight, easy to clean, food processor and whisk attachments. Cons: no beaker. Number 4. Vitamix Immersion Blender. The Vitamix Immersion Blender is a powerful, 5-speed hand blender, but its top-heavy design makes it uncomfortable to hold for long periods of time. Its sleek design and portability are great, but not enough to outweigh the difficulty we had cleaning pesto out of the blades. While this product is effective when it comes to whipping cream and making mayonnaise, we wish it had extras like a whisk attachment or beaker to make these tasks even easier. Pros: sleek design, 5-speed settings, powerful. Cons: top-heavy. Number 3. Breville Control Grip BSP 510XL Immersion Blender. This Breville can do everything but cook your meal for you. Its shallow, bell-shaped blending head has a unique design that prevents it from suctioning to the bottom of blending cups, as well as a non-scratch base that won't damage metal pots. Its wand is also long and sturdy, but not so heavy you'll want to give up halfway through your task due to a sore arm. Backed by a 15-speed, 280-watt motor, these parts are a match made in blender heaven. While the Breville blender wows on its own, its attachments are impressive bonus items that helped it breeze through our testing. The whisk attachment was perfect for whipping cream, and the food processor attachment quickly chopped pine nuts, garlic, and more for minimal effort pesto. When it came time to make smoothies in its 42-ounce blending jug, I was pleasantly surprised to escape splatter-free. The jug also houses the blender's 25-ounce chopping bowl for easy storage. If you're looking for a high-quality immersion blender with all the bells and whistles, this Breville was made for you. Pros: smart design, powerful motor, attachments are helpful. Cons: pricey. Number 2. All-Clad KZ750D GT Immersion Blender. This stainless steel immersion blender from All-Clad is the real deal, beautifully designed, incredibly sturdy, and eerily quiet when in use, despite its honking 600-watt motor. With its long wand and blending head that promotes liquid flow, it excelled at blending soup, smoothies, and mayo quickly and evenly. Unfortunately, its lack of accessories for the base model, a whisk head is sold separately, made the pesto and whipped cream tests more challenging, although it completed both in the end. When assembled, the blender is also massively heavy, over 3 pounds, which tired out my arm pretty quickly. It's an impressive, built-to-last device, but it's not made for people with as little upper body strength as me. Pros: incredibly sturdy and beautiful design, quick blending, quiet when in use. Cons: heavy. Number 1. Braun MultiQuick MQ505 Immersion Blender. The Braun MultiQuick hand blender is a strong contender for the crown at a much lower price, making it our pick for best value. This 2-speed, 300-watt blender was the fastest we tested at whipping cream and emulsifying oil into mayo, as well as one of the best at evenly blending a green smoothie. Throughout testing, The Braun's rippled blending head impressed us with its speed settings and its ability to pull in ingredients without suctioning to the bottom of the blending container. Unfortunately, the head's depth also caused it to trap sticky foods like garlic and chopped nuts, which meant it took more effort than usual to make pesto, but the final result was as smooth as can be. This Braun also has a shorter wand than many of its competitors, making it more difficult to use in deep pots, but easier to wield and store. Ultimately, Braun's hand blender is a reliable, high-performing gadget that's more than capable of helping you around the kitchen. Pros: affordable, reliable and high-performing, fast at whipping cream. Cons: short wands. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.